Welcome back. So now we're going to look at the solution to exercise number 6 of exercise set number 2. So exercise 6. No coding this time, although you could try it in code if you wanted. But anyway, the following is a truth table for a Boolean operator we did not study during the online sessions. Can you describe in words under what circumstances the result of this Boolean operator will be true? Here's the table down here. Now, I've given a hint. Look at the third column. That's this one here. Which of the three previous Boolean operators, that's dreadful. Yeah, sorry, that's fine. Which of the three previous Boolean operators that we have seen is it most similar to? Then, based on that, for which combination of inputs is the output of this operator different? Okay, so under what circumstance? So let's go back to the core question though. Can you describe it in words under what circumstances the result of this Boolean operator will be true? Right, so we have, let's have a look at the roles. So we have a mystery operator working on inputs A and B. So false and, I shouldn't say false and false because we don't know what the operator is. So false mystery operator, false mystery operator false is false. False mystery operator true is true. True mystery operator false is true. And true mystery operator true is false. Okay. Now, so we can clearly see straight away that this mystery operator gives us true only for the two middle rows. False, true, and true, false. Okay, so if we've got two falses, we get a false output. And if we have two trues, we also get a false output. Okay, so it seems to be, well, I won't even say it yet. Let me dive in a bit further. So I did say on my hints, look at the third column. Which of the three previous Boolean operators that we've seen is this most similar to? So let's see. Every Boolean operator, so discount the not operator because the not operator only works on one input. So we really only want to think about either the AND operator or the OR operator. So we know that for the AND operator, false and false would give you false. False and true would give you false. So this is not like the AND operator. This is a bit more like the OR operator. False or false is false. False or true is true. True or false is also true. But then we have a difference. True or true here is false. Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon. True or true would be true. But here we've got true, mystery operator true, giving us a false value. That's a bit more, and that's not even like the AND operator because two trues would, true and true would give you true here. So to me, this is more like the OR operator than the AND operator. It's the same output for the two values here in the middle. The only one, oh, sorry, I beg your pardon. It's the same output for the first three rows. These are identical to the OR operator. The only one where it's different is this one, because if this was an OR, this would be true. So this seems very similar to the OR operator, but how does it differ from the OR operator? There's only one difference, and it's this one here, the last row. True or true would be true, but we've got true mystery operator true giving false. So this is exactly like the OR operator, except that when both values are true, we get a false value. So it's a one or the other, but not both, gives you true. One value or the other gives you true. One value or the other gives you true, but not both. These are both true, so we get a false. That's the secret here. It's what we call one or the other, but not both. And actually this has a name. It's called exclusive OR. I'll write it down here. Exclusive OR. Exclusive OR. And look, we haven't even looked at it. A truth table for it. Well, we have. We're looking at it right now. There we go. 0 exclusive OR 0 is 0. 0 exclusive OR 1 is 1. 1 exclusive OR 0 is 1. but 1 exclusive OR 1 is 0. So that is the truth table. That is the mystery truth table. And we shorten exclusive OR to be XOR. XOR. Exclusive OR. And there's even a Boolean circuit gate for it as well that we didn't look at. So there we go. This is exclusive OR. So exclusive OR is true when one of the two input values is true, i.e. these two values here, or these two rows here, but not both. So this is X or B. A exclusive OR B. That is what this operation is. So it's true as long as the two input values are different. They cannot be the same. If they're the same, we get false. That's why we get false here. These two input values are the same, so we get false. And then here at the end, these two input values are the same, so we get false. With exclusive OR, we only get true when the two input values are different to one another. Now, for everybody who's still reading this document, I had better put this back to what it was before. So that's mystery operator. There we go. So now you've watched the video, you know what it is. So there we go. So it's exclusive OR, XOR. And that is the solution to exercise number 6.